Spartan was busy this summer, locking up two key pieces for the Minnesota Wild. Matt Dumba, 5 years, $30 million. Jason Zucker, 5 years, $27.5 million. Both should provide a lot of offense for the Minnesota Wild this season.
And Zucker floats it down into the Colorado zone. Lindholm back to pick it up. Lindholm lost it. Zucker center. Stahl grabs it, and his backhander rolls just wide.
You know, the pass was intended to Granlund, went off his skate, and that's why Stahl scores so many goals. He's an opportunist. He just kind of picks that puck up loose in front, but he could not get it to go.
Now it's Spurgeon in the middle. Dumba wanted the one-timer. The pass in his skates, so he goes back to Spurgeon. This time Dumba fires, and a save by Grubauer. Parise slaps one into the midsection of the Colorado goaltender. Down low, Stahl whipped it through the crease. Niederreiter unable to redirect. Granlund gives to Zucker, back to Granlund. Cross ice, Stahl a drive, and a save by Grubauer. Matt Reed floats it to the corner. Professional experience with Philadelphia. Reed played his college hockey at Bemidji State. There's a tip out front, and fair is denied by Grubauer.
Nate Prosser just throws this hand grenade in front, but it goes off the shin guard and then almost pinballs between the pads.
Stalock with a long lead pass for Niederreiter. Niederreiter moves in, turns back to Granlund. Granlund sends it across. Stahl with a one-timer, and that was kicked away by Grubauer. Niederreiter battling there, got it to Stahl. Into the corner, closing seconds of the power play. Granlund with it. Avalanche back at full strength. Stahl tried to center. Zucker scores!
Good use of the offensive zone here as the Wild were able to get a couple of shots. Stahl had a one-timer from the side, and then the Wild just kept the puck in below the face-off dots and eventually centered here around the net. But keep in mind, the reason why the Wild are in the offensive zone at all in this circumstance is because Stalock made a nice play all the way up the wing to Niederreiter at the blue line. And after that, the Wild stayed in the zone until this right here. Just a poke at the puck by Zucker.
Gives to Zucker, the goal scorer for Minnesota tonight. Brodin back to Granlund. Brodin winds, fires, it hit Niederreiter, and then Stahl on the rebound, denied by Grubauer. Price sends one in, deflected away by Stalock, who then has to make a glove save.
With you and everyone that you have.
I'm quite inclusive, to be honest. You know, the staff that I had in Nashville, it's a great play.
Feed by Spurgeon, and it results in a goal for Matt Reed.
Well, no surprise seeing Spurgeon jump up in the play when he has the opportunity. Nice feed right across the circles there to Matt Reed.
Gives to Wilson, who works his way around Dumba. Plays up high for Lindholm. His shot blocked out front by Koivu, and then Stalock makes the save on the rebound chance for Kamenev. Koivu able to get it past Kamenev. Then through the skates of Prosser, leads to a chance the other way for Dries. Dries had his shot knocked away by Stalock.
He starts climbing in the 20s, mid-20s. That's a lot of pucks in the net if the Wild can stay healthy this season.
Coyle works to the middle and scores!
Charlie Coyle, a good forecheck, and Greenway is showing a lot of great signs. I know Boudreau likes him as a young player, but this is just a good move to the middle and just shoot the puck. And Charlie Coyle hasn't been shooting the puck enough. When he starts shooting it, he's going to find the puck going behind goaltenders on a regular basis.
Brodin at center for Granlund. Pushes it forward for Stahl. Back to Granlund. Drives to the middle, and a shot is held by Grubauer.
Showing some good signs with the combinations that we fully expect to see more often.
It was interesting because Dallas didn't bring their A lineup here the other night. Coyle scores again as this one sneaks by Grubauer.
I don't think his stick was cleanly in between his pads. And watch as he goes down a little bit awkwardly. The toe of his stick gets out of the way as he goes with the VH. That's the vertical pad against the post, the horizontal pad on the ice, but it goes in between those
leads it ahead for Foligno. In the skates of Fair, he has Spurgeon sneaking in. Fair shot goes wide. Spurgeon on the rebound. And it's snatched out of the air by Grubauer. Parise looking for space. Cut off, so he spins back outside. Now drives into the middle. The backhander off the post. Spurgeon plays it back to the line for Brodin. Spurgeon into the corner. Parise got it through for Koivu. Scores.
Well, a lot of space out there is a nice little feed underneath the defender's leg. Nice little sauce pass there, and Koivu goes against the grain. The veterans have a way of finding their game as they move along, and they also know they'll be playing in a lot of games near the end of training camp.
Brodin across to Coyle for the hat trick.
Brodin, as he gave a little bit of a leg kick, and then he just feeds it to Coyle, who could have thrown this in the ocean because it is a wide open net for him.
Zadorov, one of the question marks for sure. Granlund into the middle. Zucker a shot and a glove save by Grubauer. Wow, almost playing keep away. Penalty coming against Colorado. Koivu throws it toward the net, and Grubauer covers. Dumba for Spurgeon. Backpedaling toward the boards. Spurgeon back to the middle. Dumba fakes a shot. Koivu a drive. They score. Parise tips it out front. And the captain returns the favor to his winger who assisted on him earlier tonight.
Just posts up right in front, and this shot kind of just goes right off his stick and redirects into the net. Just elevates it slightly.
Avs control the draw. Bartowski fires. Knocked aside by Grubauer. Koivu works his way down the wall. Centers, bounces free for Dumba. Shot saved by Grubauer. Kaut plays it back to the line for Lindholm. A shot deflected aside by Prosser. And the final horn ends the shutout for Stalock. He stops all 16 Avalanche shots. And the Wild get a hat trick from Charlie Coyle to win it by a final score of 7-0.